I'm Eddie Cannell.
And I'm Tom Cannell.
Welcome, everyone. This is the Mortgage Brothers Podcast Show.
And today we're talking about mortgage calculators.
That's right. We're going to be talking about how we can help people navigate the calculators, the mortgage calculators for a home purchase.
Yeah.
And then we're going to have a whole series of different calculators, how to do all sorts of stuff. So be sure to subscribe, comment, and like our channel because we're going to go over this in more detail.
It's kind of like the miracle pill, the mortgage calculator. Who would have thought you could just go onto a site and plug in different little variables and it pops out a number that you can budget from? I mean, it's amazing. So you're going to love this. And as we go through these different calculators that we have, it is, I mean, I don't know how old these have been around, maybe 5-10 years?
Yeah, well, I think mortgage companies have had calculators for a long time, but these are pretty sophisticated.
These are very advanced.
These have been on our site. If you go to if you go to azmortgagebrothers.com, if you're at our site, here's the calculators that you can see. If you're there, this is from a desktop view. Like if you're on a mobile device right now, you'll see 3 bars on the top right. You can click and you'll see calculators. If you click calculators, you're going to see multiple options. We're going to go over the first option, which is a home purchase payment calculator. There's a refinance one, a pre-qualification one, a fixed rate one, existing, a new home, so on. We're going to go over those in a separate podcast, but we're going to go over the home purchase payment calculator right now. What you'll do is you're going to select your state first thing, and this is going to kind of estimate taxes. If you're going to we're in the state of Arizona, so we're going to have Arizona right here. Now, you will see by default, it comes up with a average annual homeowners insurance policy of $1,599. What we're going to do is most people who are buying a house here, the median home price is actually about $490 right now. You can put your home payment, your home price there. Homeowners insurance is probably going to be about $1,200 for that, but you will know, or you should at least have an idea of maybe what your homeowners insurance will be. I think, what do you think, Tom? $1,200 is a good, $100 a month is what that will be.
A lot of what we deal with is on a monthly basis. These calculators mainly, attack it from a yearly annual basis. Mm-hmm. So $100 for homeowners insurance.
Yeah, so on this calculator, when you're thinking about taxes, you can put 0 for taxes, all right? You can put 0 for taxes, you can put 0 for homeowners insurance. You can just figure out what is my payment just on the mortgage, okay, if you want to do that too. But for taxes, they're going to range from about $1,800. Most borrowers are buying a home between $300,000 and $600,000. The property taxes are going to go from, what did we say? $1,800
to about $3,000.
About $3,000, or I was thinking maybe $3,600.
Oh, for $300 a month. Okay.
Yeah. So
on the high side.
Okay. So we're at $2,794. That's just what it's defaulting to. You can put your payment or your down payment right here. You can adjust this. It's great. You can see that change. And what you'll notice is right down below where it says MI PMI factor. What's that?
Yeah, what in the world, PMI?
That's that mortgage insurance. And what's mortgage insurance? It's the insurance that the banks will charge you if you're not putting 20% down. So,
it's not homeowners insurance. It's private mortgage insurance.
Yeah.
In case there's a default or you win the lottery and you start making the payment. A little extra insurance for the lender to be able to come in, take over the house, and get their money back.
So you can see this house payment right down here, $2,635. Now watch how that moves. As I put less down, you're going to see the mortgage insurance factor over here increase. Now, this is a really conservative number at 0.62, but we didn't want to show you on this calculator. You can actually adjust that number if you want, but that's really a high number.
Yeah, that is a high number.
But if you notice, you can lower the down payment, lower the down payment, higher the home payment. And as you go further, once you go past 20%, that mortgage insurance disappears.
I like it. Okay. All right. So I think we've gone through everything here.
This last was like the interest rate.
The interest rate, yeah.
You can take this style and you can move it back and forth. You see the difference between the interest rates. Today we're today we were like at 4.875.
4.875. Yeah.
When you're
Okay.
watching this, it could be higher or lower.
Right. All right. So are we feeling good about this? Arizona, we have a real estate tax number of $27.94. That does seem a little high. We've got homeowners insurance at about $100 a month, which comes out to $1,200 annually. Home price right at about $500,000, 30-year term. The monthly
30-year term, we can change that too.
Mhm.
You click on that, you can click on 15 years. It'll calculate your payment that way.
Right. Right. Okay, but going back to 30-year and then this monthly fee. Okay, what are we telling our borrowers? This is
any
for
kind of
like
HOA.
HOA or anything like
Yeah.
that. Now, those fees are typically never part of your mortgage, but it's good to know from a budget standpoint how much they are.
Yeah.
You know, and little known fact here: the cheaper the property in terms of mainly for condos, the cheaper the property, the higher the HOA. It's kind of weird.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Yeah,
so you can get into a $250,000 condo and you can have a $250 HOA fee, or you could buy an $800,000 house and it can have a $67 HOA fee. So that's what the monthly fee there is. And again, we talked about the down payment, we talked about the interest rate. The MI factor is hard, even for loan officers. When you're getting a call and people are asking, "Hey, what is my MI factor?" It depends on a lot of things. Credit is one of the big ones.
Yeah, and I would say for using the calculator, it's fine just leaving this alone. It'll be conservative.
Yeah.
And just go on to the site, azmortgagebrothers.com, go into the calculators and just, adjust these columns here. Have fun with just kind of seeing what those payments look like. And I think that will really help you calculate payments when you're looking for a home purchase.
Awesome. All right. Next time we'll be going over a different
Yeah.
Calculator scenario.
That's right. So be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Take care, everybody.
All right. Thanks, folks.
Thank you for watching the Mortgage Brothers podcast. If you have any questions, email us at team@azmortgagebrothers.com. And if you like this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Mortgage Brothers team.